journey begins with the question, not of where to go, but who am I becoming? Welcome to Shall Explore You, where we don't just talk about success, we explore the journey behind it. And today, we have someone whose journey beautifully blend logic, law, and creativity. From being a lawyer to stepping into entrepreneurship, building her own network, creating her product, being in the manufacturing line, and creating content on the Instagram. This is not just a career shift, it's a story of exploration. Aishwarya, welcome to Shall Explore You. We are
Thank
so
you.
excited to have you here today.
Thank you. Excited to be here as well and looking forward to the podcast.
Yes. So, Aishwarya, before we start our segments, okay, I want you to imagine your life as a destination on a map.
Hmm.
What kind of place it is where you feel you are? It can be a calm mountain, a busy city, or an unexplored island which you feel you are on.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. I think a mix between a calm mountain and I think ideally a mix between all three. It is not just one. Like
Okay.
mentally, many a times I've learned to be a calm mountain now,
Hmm.
but in work terms, it is like a very busy city. Hmm.
So let's start with the first segment. This segment is known as setting the compass. We always know that there is a point that we have to reach. We call it as a north. The north,
Not.
compass point towards the north, and everyone want to reach to their north. Okay. So here
Hmm.
we are going to see what is your north. So
Hmm.
what we want you is to take back us to the time where
Hmm.
things and situation were like the beginning of every decision you made, or tell us about what was a tiny spark, the moment where you felt maybe I meant for something more than just a conventional path. Anything that you feel that, okay, this was a spark that has started my journey.
See, for me, it has always been God's plan more than what I wanted.
Hmm.
Like my life till now has been like that.
Hmm.
Okay, I have decided one thing, but something happened differently than what I expected in many major milestones. And throughout that journey, I have learned to surrender more rather than focusing on one North Star because I'm a firm believer of somewhere you have some predestiny with you, which will take you to that point.
Hmm.
And you have to live in the days that you that take you to the journey rather than focusing on the big picture. What
Hmm.
I mean is each day you make the most out of it instead of thinking ki how will I reach that north star or what will happen, and if something does not work out as you wished, it's fine.
Hmm.
Most of the times what I feel it won't. So more than reaching somewhere or being somewhere, I am learning through this life of mine that just enjoy the process more rather than the destination. um how I learned this is, I don't know, it's a pattern of my life in general
Hmm.
कि जो मैंने सोचा है उससे बहुत अलग ही चीजें हुई है एंड बहुत अलग हुई है मतलब neither I had planned law nor I had planned any day कि मैं बैठ के अगरबत्तियां बनाऊंगी. These things just happened. I did not decide anything. My life partner or my career or any major aspects of life, they happened very differently on their own.
Hmm.
So this is something I want to tell everyone because I've seen people get very anxious about things, and sometimes things work, sometimes they might not work also. But you have to be okay. Just be okay enjoying life क्योंकि एक ही मिलने वाली है. And it is quite possible कि उस एक लाइफ में you won't get everything and just be happy with that. And somehow it works magically and you get what you want.
How beautifully it blended with the segment 2. That
Yeah.
is what I wanted this question to be, that it blends with the segment 2, and it actually led to the segment 2, Which the question comes to, like you said, your life was never predictable and you started with law, and then the structures were different and your logical profession was totally shifted by your entrepreneurship where you are manufacturing, like you said कि
Yeah.
अगरबत्ती बनाने का जो work you have started, or the process
Okay.
of manufacturer, okay, and
Yeah.
then also the content creator about bringing a lot of stories about your product, your journey on the Instagram. So take us through this transition, and how did you identify one after another all these things? Because I know it's unpredictable journey where you have started with one and then went to another. Bring
Hmm.
us this journey in front of us, like how it shifted.
See, I'll tell you, neither I planned law, neither I planned this. Okay, I kept on going, and even business or manufacturing, it is not one day thing. It is a process that it has compounded over last 6 7 years. So when I was in the last year of my law school, I'm also a very hobby person.
Hmm.
I do study and all, but I take my hobbies very seriously.
Hmm.
So similarly, I was pursuing my hobbies along with my job or anything, and finding out if anything would materialize substantially out of my legal career. I like law a lot. I still do. And sometimes I wonder ki why did not I choose practice, especially in manufacturing. It's a lot of headache,
True.
especially you have to set it from scratch, machinery, assembly line, all of those things, marketing. So it does come to my mind ki why did I not choose a practice career, especially in family law. But that time genuinely it did not strike me. It's a very common sense thing, but it did not strike me. So
Hmm.
at the end of my college days, I was just trying different hobbies. Like I was trying painting, I was trying to do become like cartoons and all, trying to draw cartoons. Then cooking I tried at once, and this thing was going on for a lot of time. But for me, maybe I think it was somewhere written in my destiny, otherwise it would have not happened. These hobbies and all na, it compounded very fast.
Hmm.
Like I joined one course which s- taught side hustles and how to use them professionally and not just like hobbies. So hobbies, so then it became a side hustle. Then I started learning more about content, YouTube, social media marketing. This was in COVID, early COVID.
Hmm.
So after that, there came a point where I had to choose whether I'll be doing job or whether I'll be doing this, because both were not working together.
Hmm.
This was also going in good direction. This was also going in good direction.
Hmm.
So I had just decided to be self-employed. Business and all was not in my mind. So I, you know, had few savings. I made some few savings I kept with me, and I left my job. And then I started continuing that course. जो side hustle में कर रही थी, I was continuing that, and beach after leaving job, I was not able to leave law also immediately, because I had spent so much of time on that, so much of money on that. So it continued for good 6 months. But since I was in the transactional space, contracts and all of that, it was difficult to come into practice immediately without company law,
Yeah.
because scope reduces. You
True.
have to either go into litigation or criminal or corporate law practice,
Hmm.
family law. So either of the way, it was a new start. If I
Hmm.
were coming from a legal advisory company or in-house practitioner background in a company or MNC, to a practitioner legal
Hmm.
as a law practitioner, or
Right.
starting a business, or it was both new beginnings only. So I decided to pursue creativity as my passion, because I like those things.
Hmm.
I like doing something creative. But what in that was again a question, because there are 100 things you can do. There's every other graphic designer who is a freelancer, and I did not want to do that. But I was too new at that point of time to know what running business also is. in
Hmm.
terms of manufacturing, sales, logistics, building supply chain, front end, nothing I knew at that point of time. So I just chose randomly on Instagram कि let's start candle making. As simple as that.
Hmm.
ठीक है, उसमें से then I started making it at home. छोटे से अपने कमरे से शुरू किया. Then I started making candles at home. फिर then once small things started coming up. Now formulation, क्योंकि since it's a chemistry side, candles, formulations, personal care, home care, fragrances, all this is practical chemistry. So those things started coming up कि my formulations would sometimes go wrong.
Yeah.
How to manufacture, deliver, logistics कैसे करना है, content कैसे बनाना है. Right. These small offshoots started coming up, and that's how I started learning about each aspect of business. Also, I have a good strong business background. My father is into it, so it was always there subconsciously. तो वो मेरे को थोड़ा सा easy गया, of course, I won't lie, but again, when you build something on scratch, from scratch, it is difficult. It is not so easy.
Hmm.
Anything, any profession, when you take it for long, na, it becomes little monotonous, how much ever you love it.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you should like that topic so much that even if it becomes boring, you should not, तुम्हारा मन ही नहीं करेगा उसको छोड़ने का. That is very important. Okay, तो मेरा भी कुछ ऐसा ही था. So this candle making continued, but then क्या होता है, you have to have a product which generates repeat value, repeat customer. And candles for me was a want product. It was not a need product.
Yeah.
Plus, उसको ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है कि आज मैं जाके कैंडल लेके आऊं, मेरा मन किया, ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं.
समटाइम्स समवन, प्लस आई पर्सनली फील इन इंडिया उसका थोड़ा सा ठीक है, यंग लोग यूज करते हैं, बट उसका इतना ये नहीं है.
Hmm.
It's, as long as your bath and body works and all, that is fine, but still from business perspective.
True.
So I was still searching ki what else इसमें. I wanted to stick to one field, but what else in that? So I started making soaps after candles. I learned personal care, उसके formulations. तो वो जैसे जैसे मैं सीखती गई, I started learning about the business side of it as well. कि एक तो होता है ना बनाना, और एक होता है बेचना. दोनों को बैलेंस करके चलना पड़ता है, उसको ज्यादा बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. राइट, बिकॉज आपकी डिमांड ज्यादा आएगी तो प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगा, एंड प्रोडक्शन कम है तो ज्यादा डिमांड का कुछ फायदा नहीं. तो यू हैव टू बैलेंस द स्केल्स. तो साबुन, उसके बाद आई वाज गोइंग टू मेक पर्सनल स्किन केयर, बट देन अगेन दिस इज समवेयर माय फादर टॉकिंग इन माय हेड. Somewhere I realized it is a good brand and all, but the market is very saturated. Like there are a lot of skincare brands. Plus, from a new brand, how would someone test it on skin if your brand is new? ठीक है, people will think twice ना कि इसका formulation अच्छा है. Plus, if you want to do it on a big scale, there are tests, stability tests you have to run. उसका machinery अलग, उसका only machinery का investment would be around 4-5 lakhs. ठीक है, तो I would have put the money also, but that time it did not make sense to me for some reason कि skin just did not want to be just another skincare brand. तो मैंने होम केयर शुरू किया था, बर्तन का साबुन ये, एंड दैट वर्कड because it had a low barrier entry कि people would try that. They did not mind that to test a product on dish or floor or something like that. So that started working, but and the product part started going up. अब उसी बीच में घर से बाहर निकल के we shifted to a factory setup.
Wow.
बट क्या हुआ उसका ना, सी सेल्स क्या होता है, फॉर अ बिगिनर इट लुक्स लिटिल टफ, बट इतना टफ है भी नहीं. बट द थिंग इज उसका स्केल बहुत बड़ा हो सकता है. यू हैव टू डिसाइड कितना स्केल करना है. एंड फॉर एन एफएमसीजी ब्रांड, मैं एफएमसीजी में थी, एफएमसीजी कैटेगरी में थी, तो यू हैव टू स्पेशली
Elaborate what is that for our audience.
फास्ट मूविंग कंज्यूमर गुड्स. मतलब आप
Right.
रोज तो किराना स्टोर से परचेस करते हो, बी इट योर बिस्किट्स और क्लीनिंग प्रोडक्ट्स, और यू गॉट द पॉइंट राइट. जो जल्दी खत्म होता है हर महीना एंड यू बाय इट अगेन. It might
Hmm.
be as simple as your mosquito coil also.
Right.
Fast moving consumer goods. तो उसका मेन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लेड होता है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लेड मतलब कैसा, वो किराना स्टोर से बेचा जाता है एंड यू हैव टू हैव अ फुल फ्लेजेड सेल्स टीम फॉर दैट. उसको बीट बोलते हैं. हर किराना स्टोर विल बी वन बीट. तो यू हैव टू सी कि आपका प्रोडक्ट कितने बीट पे है, सेल्समैन रोज जा रहा है. तो फॉर अ न्यू बिजनेस डायरेक्टली स्टार्टिंग ऑफलाइन वाज लुकिंग अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी.
True.
क्योंकि पूरा सेल्स टीम बिल्ड करना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिल्ड करना, ये बाद में आना चाहिए आइडियली. तो मैं सोच एंड ऑनलाइन बेच सकते थे बट अगेन इट वाज नॉट, मेरा मन मान नहीं रहा था कि समथिंग इज ऑफ बिकॉज मार्केटिंग वाज कंप्लीटली ऑफ द ग्राउंड्स की वेबसाइट से कोई खरीदेगा नहीं दीज
So,
डिश वॉश एंड ऑल
initially.
इनिशियली. और लॉन्ग टर्म में भी पीपल बाय फ्रॉम देयर नियरेस्ट कन्वीनियंट स्टोर rather than order. You'll order some dress or something on website, right? किसी के वेबसाइट पे जाके, बट यू विल नेवर ऑर्डर कि पीला डिश वॉश खरीद लिया वेबसाइट पे जाके.
Hmm.
तो वो फिर एग्जीबिशंस में बेचना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था. प्लस मैंने जिस पैशन को चूज करके ये सब शुरू किया था, आई वांटेड कि जिससे कुछ क्रिएटिव फुलफिलमेंट मिल सके, वो बाजू में रह रहा था.
Hmm.
आई पर्पसली चोज अ बोरिंग बिजनेस कैटेगरी, बट वो मेरा पजल ठीक से बैठ नहीं रहा था. समथिंग, सम पीसेस वर लुकिंग ऑफ. तो आई वाज स्टिल थिंकिंग कि क्या किया जाए, क्या किया जाए. तो वन दिवाली, लास्ट दिवाली आई डिड माई फर्स्ट एग्जीबिशन. तो
Hmm.
उसमें मैंने जो साबुन बनाए थे, नॉर्मल साबुन बनाए, बट उसके फ्रेग्रेंसेस लोगों को बहुत पसंद आए. आई हैड मेड सम 38 वैरायटीज अलग अलग कॉम्बिनेशन करके एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड लविंग द फ्रेग्रेंसेस. तो दैट केम टू माई माइंड समवेयर कि इज फ्रेग्रेंस माई कॉलिंग. तो आई स्टार्टेड डाइविंग मोर इनटू दैट. अच्छा, फ्रेग्रेंस में क्या कर सकते हैं, वेदर आई कैन डू समथिंग विद द होम केयर कैटेगरी की लॉन्ड्री को इनोवेट करूँ या समथिंग लाइक दैट. But then this agarbatti and all this puja ka segment came into my mind.
Hmm.
कि this is something I can do and it can reach wide also. कि इसका retail arm भी है, you can go through Instagram, website, plus there is an export market also. So global doors भी shut नहीं होते. So it felt like the best category in chemical industry for me. और मैं कर भी सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं काफी टाइम हो गया मैं ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी और ये सब कर रही थी. अभी तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट बीन 10 years now.
Wow.
तो वो मेरा बैठ रहा था एंड दैट वाज लाइक माय, यू टोल्ड मी ना, नॉर्थ स्टार मोमेंट. तो मेरे लिए वो नॉर्थ स्टार मोमेंट था कि मन को पता था ओके चलो,
ये
done,
करना है.
problem solved. हाँ, problem solved. And it started feeling right also after that.
Hmm.
Even now when I post content and all that, it feels कि नहीं है, like it's working, it's going in the right direction.
Hmm.
And it is good mix of that logic and creativity which I need. कि इसमें वो business aspect भी है, plus I can innovate also. So that felt good. Yeah. So that's where I am now.
Wow.
Yeah.
But do you feel that your journey is also the part of how you learned at every step? Like when you were learning law, then you understood that hobbies are also important. Your hobbies associated you with the entrepreneurship, but understanding entrepreneurship needs logic. And logic comes from legal acumen a lot. You need clarity, and law kind of is so difficult to understand that when you interpret one by one laws, you understand the depth of the content. Do you feel the journey is interdependent and that is helping you to move ahead?
I will break this into two segments.
Yeah.
First, I'll speak about the law part.
Hmm.
See, lawyer लोग जो होता है ना, I have seen very few lawyer people who are entrepreneurs, and that is a very sad thing. Because law teaches you, apart from the legal technical part of it, two very important things. एक जो बात करने की कला है, how
Well,
to speak, when to speak, how much to speak.
correct.
That a lawyer knows very well क्योंकि आप सीख जाते हो throughout the journey. And second is reading people. दैट ऑल्सो यू गेट टू नो वेल. आपको लोग ऑब्जर्व करने आ जाते हैं. एंड वो ना, यू मस्ट बी,
Yeah.
लोगों को पढ़ना पड़ता है क्योंकि उनका दिमाग समझना पड़ता है.
Very
सो
true.
लॉयर को साइकोलॉजी बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझते हैं एंड ही इज अ गुड मैनिपुलेटर. लाइक वो किसी भी इसमें ट्विस्ट कर सकता है. एंड दीज आर वेरी गुड क्वालिटीज इन अ बिजनेसमैन.
Yeah.
कि आपको बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे योर एंड पॉइंट इज कस्टमर ओनली. तो आपको वो कस्टमर को से बात करना, समटाइम्स मीठा बात करना पड़ता है, समटाइम्स यू हैव टू सेट बाउंड्रीज, वरना
Yeah.
वो they'll keep asking for discounts, they'll sit on your head. You have to work with lot of people. And क्या होता है अदर एंड में, आप जब एम्प्लॉय होते हो ना और आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं होती, वो अलग ये होता है व्हेन यू आर मैनेजिंग थिंग्स. बिकॉज कई बार क्या होता है कि यू एंड अप डूइंग ऑल द वर्क इवन इफ यू हैव 10 पीपल विथ यू. तो वो लोगों को मैनेज करना बहुत बड़ा पार्ट है. एंड आई थिंक अ लॉयर नोज दैट वेरी वेल. दूसरी चीज लीगल नॉलेज, जो कॉमर्स वाले साइड का नॉलेज है ना, वेदर इट बी लॉ
Yeah.
फाइनेंस, वो कभी वेस्ट नहीं जाता.
Just.
बिकॉज दोज आर लाइफ स्किल्स. भले ही तुम्हें फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री ना आए, बट दीज थिंग्स नेवर गो वेस्ट. इवन अभी मेरे इसमें आई हैव टू लुक फॉर इनकॉर्पोरेशन एंड ऑल, तो जाने दो ठीक है, बट एफडीए, ये जो लॉज है ना, जिसका तुम्हें एक्चुअल रिसर्च करना पड़ता है. कभी कभी तो मुझे लोग भी नहीं मिलते जो मुझे ठीक तरह से समझा सके कि ये बताओ ड्रग्स एक्ट में पढ़ के, लेट मी नो इसका क्या है, इसका क्या है. स्पेशल फॉर द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पार्ट ऑफ इट देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ लाइसेंसेस.
True.
और आई एम नॉट ब्लेमिंग एवरीवन, बट मैंने बहुत जेनेरिक लोग देखे कि उनको वो स्क्वायर में ही पता है उतना.
Hmm.
स्पेशली अबाउट द फैक्ट है बड़े बड़े लॉयर्स, आई एम नॉट, बट इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स कि आपको उस चीज का नॉलेज है तो आप डीप में जाके पढ़ सकते हो. यू 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 कैन फाइंड द निकनैक्स ऑफ इट कि अच्छा ये कर सकते, ये नहीं कर सकते, लाइक दैट. सो वो कभी वेस्ट नहीं जाता. एंड आई फील कि जैसे मैंने बोला ना, इट्स ऑलवेज अबाउट द प्रोसेस. दो हिसाब से इंसान की प्रोसेस ऑलवेज इट शुड रन. वन इज करियर एंड पर्सनल लाइफ,
Hmm.
और दूसरी होती है उसकी अंदर की जर्नी, लाइक
Hmm.
द जर्नी फ्रॉम विद इन, राइट. वो हमेशा पैरेलली चलनी चाहिए. आई थिंक इफ दैट इज नॉट गोइंग ऑन ना, ये इतना अच्छा वर्कआउट भी नहीं करेगा. वेदर इट be your career, whether it be your love relationships, other relationships, personal life, health. ये बहुत डिपेंड करता है कि आपका अंदर का मन कैसा है, कितने स्ट्रांग है, आपका
Hmm.
खुद से कैसे बात करते हो, इन चीजों पे. तो
Hmm.
ये सेकंड पार्ट है ना, ये मैंने बहुत पहले शुरू कर दिया था.
Hmm.
एंड लाइक ज्यादा खुद का ये भी नहीं करना, बट लाइक वो कुछ तो ऊपर से भी आया था. लाइक जो लोगों को लेट आता है ना, पीपल डू इन 50s 40s, आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इन माई अर्ली 20s. तो
Hmm.
उससे मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ा. लाइक माई लाइफ चेंज्ड 180 डिग्री. तो एंड इट्स अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस, यू हैव टू डू इट टिल द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ, ऐसे मेरे
Hmm.
को लगता है. सो या दैट्स इट, आई थिंक.
Wow, wow, beautiful. So definitely we have not only seen your not, but also how you think about it. So we'll quickly move ahead with the segment 3.